Many people think that HIV is not in the Philippines yet. Kala ko, wala pa sa Philippines.
Hi, I'm Wango Galiaga. I'm HIV positive.
HIV is the virus that damages the body's ability to fight off infection.
People infected with HIV cannot fight off a number of serious illnesses without medical treatment.
HIV is transmitted from person to person by sexual
Heavy
contact.
unprotected sex, no? At kung mother-to-child transmission, yung ang nanay mo merong HIV, at nasa tiyan ka niya, malamang na meron ka rin.
I used to think that when you kiss someone, you can get AIDS when you pee in public toilet.
Yung isa pa nga sa probinsya, pag kinagat ka raw ng lamok na may dalang HIV, magkaka-HIV ka na. These are misconceptions.
Can you get it from kissing?
That's what you
Well, yeah. Can you? No.
You cannot get HIV from touching things that HIV positive people have touched.
HIV cannot spread by shaking hands or hugging.
Now I know.
Yeah. The Safety Series is a movement set to fight the spread of HIV in the Philippines.
The Safety Series pushes for consistent use of condoms for people who are sexually active and at risk.
You see, HIV and AIDS are here and there's no cure.
June something, 2010, there is no cure. None.
Anyone can get infected with HIV.
But what we need to know is this. HIV and AIDS are preventable. Yes, preventable.
As they say, no, alphabet lang yan. A, B, C, no? A is abstinence. Abstain from sex if you can. Kung mahirap yan, B, no? Letter B. B, loyal to one partner. Kung hindi nyo pa rin kaya yan, C, mag-condom kayo.
Mga lalaki na ayaw mag-condom.
Huwag kayong mag-condom, bukas tsugi na kayo, no?
Because I care about you, magkakondom ako. Because I don't want you to get sick.
For 40 bucks, 40 pesos, if you can buy load for the internet or for your cell phone, get a condom so everybody around you is safe.
Unprotected sex is stupid.
We are not.
Getting tested, that's also necessary.
Sometimes you can have HIV and not have any of the symptoms for years.
If you're a practicing human being, you gotta get yourself tested. Don't pass it on.
You have a choice. You can stay safe.
This is your mission because you are the lead advocate of the Safety Series. Welcome to the fight.
Welcome to the fight.
Welcome to the fight.
Wear a cap if you're gonna have sex with strings attached. So who be next? Yeah, so it's like bad blood, bad blood. Don't go into my system, open your eyes, and let your ears listen. I'm auditioning.